One of the lawyers for Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook was seen leaving a Washington, D.C. courthouse Friday after no ruling was made in his client's legal fight against President Donald Trump, who was attempting to remove Cook from her post. Following a 2-hour hearing, a U.S. district judge asked Cook's lawyers to file a brief next week, laying out in more detail their arguments for why the ouster was unlawful. On Thursday, Cook sued Trump and the Fed, saying the Republican president's claim she engaged in mortgage fraud before she joined the central bank did not give him legal authority to remove her and was a pretext to fire her for her monetary policy stance.
I think it's a bad situation right now.
Eric Ditton is president and managing director of the Wealth Alliance.
The Fed has been independent from the White House since 1951, and I do believe that one of the reasons we are the reserve currency of the world is that comfort that the world has that the Fed will do what's right with regard to policy, regardless of what the president or any politicians desire.
The case, which will likely end up before the U.S. Supreme Court, has ramifications for the Fed's ability to set interest rate policy without regard to the wishes of politicians. The central bank has said it would abide by any court decision. It has given no indication that Cook's status as a member of its board of governors has changed, and she remains listed on its website as an active member of several internal committees. The law that created the Fed says governors may be removed only for cause, but does not define the term nor establish procedures for removal. No president has ever removed a Fed governor, and the law has never been tested in court.